Hi guys. So tomorrow I'm leaving for Delhi and I'm here with Pragya at this place called Brick. It's Brick, no? Yeah, Brick. I was here for my birthday last and it was really amazing. I'll show you guys around. So since this was a work trip, my father insisted that he would come by to drop me. Hi bola.
Hi.
So this would be my third time on a flight, but the first time I would be on a flight without my parents. So it kind of feels like a big deal to me. And since my co-worker Shivani is with me, it does not feel like I'm alone.
Guys, I'm done eating.
I'm done.
I'm gonna go shit now.
Even though we had to wait 2.5 hours for our flight, time really went by so quickly.
Local train vibes, man.
What?
Local train vibes.
So Shivani had a window side seat, but she was kind enough to give me her seat. She's just that person. It's really amazing traveling with her. She literally gives that mama vibes. As soon as the plane took off, I had no chill and I started exploring the in-flight entertainment options, and it is so mind-blowing. I mean, for someone who's seeing all this for the first time, I was completely awestruck. I put on a movie, and within no time, Vistara gave us breakfast. I think Vistara is the only flight that gives you breakfast for free. They gave us misal pav, bread butter, and coffee and tea options.
Look at this.
What do you want to say exactly? Throughout the flight, I just kept thinking about this one dialogue.
वैसे मन बना लो तो दिल्ली दूर नहीं है महेंद्र जी.
And just like that, we landed at Delhi. Everyone is hurrying. One is hurrying out, and me and Shivani are just like. We don't want any baggage in life.
Asha. What is it? Akash.
Akash. Mayur Mudra. Chatur Mudra. Idhar hai Prana.
अरे छोड़.
We are supposed to get our luggage from 7 number counter.
Belt.
7 number belt. Finally got our bags. Now we are heading out and going to find a cab to take us to the hotel. Our hotel was located about 30 minutes away from the airport. It was in Paharganj. We rested for a bit and now we are heading outside to go have lunch. We took this bumpy e-rickshaw ride and reached this really famous chole bhature spot in Paharganj, and I would say that it was 100% worth it. It was so good. I have never had such good chole bhature in my life. I have reached Sarojini Market. नहीं.
Where do you want to go straight? Back also, yeah. ये? Amni, now I'm going. I'm confused. No?
चलो भैया।
We quickly explored Sarojini Market and got back to work as soon as we could. The expo is tomorrow. We are here at Pragati Maidan to just check out our booth and just get some BTS shots and everything. So all the brands are building up their stall. All the setup is going on. We have to go find our booth. It's our booth. It should be ready by tomorrow. So big. There is the stage. Hi guys, just going to give you all a room tour.
What room tour?
This
What
is
it,
the
staying
room.
in Taj?
It's it's messy and all, but it feels like Taj, you know.
All the stuff belongs to Avni.
No, it doesn't.
She's a messy person.
No, it doesn't. This is the washroom.
इतनी खूबसूरत लग रही हैं आप। आज तो आपको 100 खून माफ। काम की बात करें, कुछ करतब दिखाने आए थे ना, दिखाइए। करतब तो ये दिखाएंगे गंतर साहब।
We have reached at the beauty expo and all the brands are here and I'm really excited. We are at the food court. I can already feel today is going to be like a hectic day. I just had my chai, so I'm completely like energetic. Oh, someone's calling me back. We got some time in between, so we headed to the food court to have some lunch. And we ended up eating Domino's pizza and some chaat. I am dead tired. I literally just ate. It's around 4:30 and I'm sitting here with my coffee and I'm going to post some stories, like brand stories. Because inside there's no rain, so I stepped out for a bit and it feels good. It's hot. It's damn hot in Delhi, but we are almost done with day one and we are going to go home now. When I say home, I mean back to the hotel. We're damn tired. So let's go home. Let's go back to the hotel.
रात का train, flight, whatever, but make sure it's confirmed.
Go for it.
We're almost done with all the shows and now we're leaving.
अपने यहाँ पे वड़ा पाव ऐसा सेक के नहीं बनाते हैं द वे दीज गाइस मेक इट.
So we have come to the Chili's for dinner. We eat here and then we will go get our train, and by tomorrow afternoon we would be back in Mumbai. And I'm kind of hoping that we would have stayed one more day to explore, because we didn't really get a lot of time to roam around, just explore the place and all of that. We just had the first day. So yeah, but I think I'll do visit again. What is the name of the place?
Acting all touristy and stuff. Done?
What?
Are we done? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Cyrus Matthew. So I say Cyrus. What will you guys say? Matthew. Okay. Are we ready? Cyrus. Matthew. Cyrus. Matthew. Cyrus. Matthew. Okay. Are we
Why do you always have to look the other side?
My best profile.
Guys, please look at Avni. This is her best profile. She's single, so ready to be mingled. Slide under the DM situation.
Slide under.
इंटू नहीं करते हम अंडर करते हैं.